Hey everyone! If you're expecting a new little bundle of joy, the first step is often a home pregnancy test. Today I'm going to walk you through the easy steps to do it right. First, let's talk about timing. The best time to take a home pregnancy test is after you've missed your period. This ensures that the hormone HCG, which indicates pregnancy, is at a detectable level. Grab your test kit. These kits come with everything you need, including a test stick and instructions. Make sure to read those instructions carefully, because they can vary a little between brands. Now, for the fun part. Use the first morning urine if possible, as it contains the highest concentration of HCG. You can either pee directly on the test stick or into a clean cup and dip the test stick into the urine, whatever's easier for you. Once you've got your sample, place the test stick on a flat surface. Now the hardest part, waiting. Most tests take about 3 to 5 minutes to show results. Try to distract yourself with a quick task or some deep breaths. When the time is up, check the result window. A positive result usually shows 2 lines or a plus sign, while a negative result shows 1 line or a minus sign. But remember, every test is different, so always refer to your kit's instructions. If you get a positive result, congratulations. Make an appointment with your healthcare provider to confirm and start your prenatal care. If it's negative and you still suspect you're pregnant, wait a few days and test again. And there you have it, folks. Home pregnancy tests can be a straightforward and empowering first step in your pregnancy journey. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tips. See you next time.